Hey everyone, this is Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV MC giving you a closer look at the Pilot soft pannier bags from Tusk. All right everyone, thanks for tuning in. So today we're going to give you a closer look at the new Pilot soft pannier bags from Tusk. Now many of you know that we are avid adventure riders here at Rocky Mountain, and we have spent the last couple of years designing and developing these bags. It's been a lot of work. We are super excited to finally release them to the public for the hardcore adventure riders that are out there. What's great about the Pilot soft pannier bag is that these are universal fitments, so they're going to fit essentially with any set of pannier racks. Definitely recommend having a top rack as well. 35-liter storage capacity, which for us actually kind of hits a sweet spot for storage capacity. These combined with the tail bag gives enough storage capacity for our multiple day rides or even a week-long ride. They can work on several different bike sizes. We've got them right here on a KTM 690. We put them on a WR 250, and these can easily work on the bigger bikes as well, like an Africa Twin or even a KTM 1190. And the durability on these things is awesome. We spent a lot of time putting these things, you could say, through the grinder. We've used these on our own adventure rides for the last year and a half. And not only have we used them on our own adventure rides, but we've also purposely gone out, overloaded these bags, and we have found the roughest, nastiest, most whooped out single track trails we could find, and we have put these things through the ringer just to make sure that they're gonna hold up to the abuse that we know riders are gonna put them through. And for a price around 150 bucks, this is hands down one of the best values that is out there. So as far as how these are constructed, they're a 2520 denier, so super heavy duty construction. You've got YKK buckles and hardware on the entire bag. So like I said, the durability on these has been awesome for us. It's a roll top closure, so the bag itself is not going to be waterproof, but there are dry bags on the inside which will be waterproof. And what's nice about the dry bags is once you have these installed, an install for these is very simple. Like I said, it's universal fitment. We have a how-to video where I show you step-by-step how to install these, but honestly, it just takes a couple minutes. But the dry bags, the beauty of those is when you get to your destination, rather than having to remove the bags completely, you just pull the dry bag out with your items in it and you're on your way. So very simple to utilize. Now another little feature I like is that the Tusk logo is reflective, so just an added safety feature when you're hitting the roads. And going along with that durability, you'll see down here at the bottom you have this gray material. Well, this is actually TPU, and the reason that we put that there is just to help protect the bottom of the bag in case maybe you go down in a crash, you're going through some brush or some rocks. Again, just adding to the overall durability of the bag. So now what I want to do is just get up here, we're going to open it up, show you that roll top closure, and then show you that dry bag on the inside. So when it comes to accessing the contents inside the bag, it's really simple. You see, we've got this set installed here on our 690. Now, this is a roll top closure, so you're gonna have your compression straps here on the side. So you'll undo those. You also have these two compression straps up here on the top. So what I like to do is I'll undo these, and what some riders will do is they'll try and take this whole piece and loop it or go through this buckle. What I like to do is just take out all that slack, and I'll just lay it right over the side like that so I don't have to go through that buckle. So once you have those draped over the side, you're just gonna unroll the bag. Now something to keep in mind is that when you are loading these up, what we always recommend is at least 3 rolls before you clamp that down. That's just gonna keep the dust, keep the debris out and other things. But once you have it open, very simple. Just gonna reach in there. You're gonna grab your dry roll bag, pull that out. And there it is. That's your 35-liter bag. Like I said earlier, just load this up. Even if you're not expecting rain, you can use this. Just makes it easier to get everything out of your bag without having to completely take these off the bike. Now, if you don't have pannier racks already, we do actually have these available as a kit, so you can pick up the Pilot bags and our Tusk pannier racks all at one time. All right, everyone, thanks for checking out the spotlight on the new Pilot soft pannier bags from Tusk. If you have questions or comments about these, leave those below. We'll get those answered. And to pick up yours, you can just click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. But remember, once you pick yours up, watch that how-to video. There are some tips and tricks when it comes to installing these. And if you're looking to get more adventure luggage on top of the Pilot bags, check out the Tusk tail bags. We have those in multiple sizes if you're looking to get more gear onto your bike. Also, if you haven't yet, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have awesome adventure rides where we document those. We show you the routes that we like to take so you can take them as well. We even have videos where we show you exactly how we like to pack for our adventure rides. I'm Chase here at Rocky Mountain. We'll see you on the trails.